you had a catchphrase, what would it be? Autumn?
Do you want a reason too, or
No.
Okay.
I mean, you can give one. I'm not going to penalize you. Maybe.
I've always said that because it makes people think that I'm smart. I'm thinking ahead.
Always said that. Can I have an example? Use it in a sentence.
Yeah. Someone would be like, Angelina Jolie was really good in this film. And I'm like, I've always said that.
That sounds right. I like it. Thank you. And I've always said that. I'm stealing it. It's mine now. Trademark.